In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lookup field in a table in Microsoft Access. A lookup field lets you choose values from a drop-down list rather than typing them, which keeps your data consistent and easier to manage. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you understand both how to set it up and why each choice matters. Start by opening Microsoft Access. With your database open, go to the table where you want the lookup and open it in Design View. Design View is where you define the structure of your table. Click the field that should become a lookup, or add a new field row and give it a clear name like category, status, or customer. In the data type column for that field, open the dropdown and select Lookup Wizard. The wizard is a guided setup that creates a drop-down list for you at the table level. Next, the wizard asks how you want to get the values. You have two approaches. Choose to get the values from another table, or query when you already have a related table that holds the authoritative list, like a customer's table or a list of products. This option keeps your data normalized and ensures that changes to the master list flow everywhere. Or choose to type in the values you want if you have a short fixed list that doesn't live anywhere else. Think simple statuses like new, in progress, and closed. This is great for quick, controlled vocabularies. If you're pulling values from another table, select that source table in the wizard. You'll see available fields on the left and selected fields on the right. Move the fields you want to display to the right side. Typically, you'll display a friendly field like name or description, even if the table also has an ID. The wizard may offer screens to set sort order or column widths. The defaults usually work fine, but feel free to sort by the name you'll be viewing. When prompted, check Hide Key Column, recommended. With this setting, Access shows users the readable value, like a name, but stores the underlying ID number behind the scenes. That gives you cleaner data entry while preserving reliable relationships and better performance. To wrap up, click Finish and save the table. Saving locks in the lookup configuration. The next time you enter data in this field, you'll see a drop-down list with the values you chose. If you used another table, Access stores the matching ID while displaying the friendly text. If you typed your own list, it stores the text you entered. That's all it takes to build a clear, consistent lookup field in Microsoft Access.